Well, going up on as well. So the video is going to be on dancehall artist Lisa Hyper, the first lady of Gaza. I don't know if it's Camp, Nation, or Empire. However, you don't know, it's Vibes Scott, who's the head of staff. And she put it to her Instagram, and she did a video as well as written a statement saying that she wants to end the 12-year malice that's going on between she and Queen of Dancehall, proclaimed to be Spice. And she tried to at Spice, but Spice apparently block her. So she let the message come across. She wants to start anew, and she don't have time for the petty stuff. No, Lisa said she don't really know what the reason is between she and Spice. I can also link below in the description box, but she did state before what exactly it is that happened between her and Spice. So let's get into the video.
Hi everybody, this is Lisa Hyper, the Phoenix, the matriarch, the monarch, the dancer, lyrical queen, the Gaza first lady. I'm here today to clear the air for all of my fans, all of my new fans, right? I'm just here to clear the air that I have no beef, nada female entertainer. I appreciate all of you guys because all of you guys contribute to dancehall music. And with that being said, I want to say a big, sincere, humble apology to Grace Spice Hamilton for the past disrespect, and I want to move past this. I want to move past this, and this is why I'm really actually doing this. I want to move past this because the past is the past. You gotta have a positive future. Don't go stop the foolishness and be the big role model and the star role model for the